drague bien le J2, on roll-off. Et après on réabattra pour appeler. On fait juste un petit coup d'arbalète dès que c'est roulé. Ouais. Bah, si on est là, on est à 4, donc on peut faire à la manivelle.
Ça roule bien, Paul?
Ouais.
Paul, how the weather looks like?
Hard to say. It's sure that now the finish is in probably around 24 hours. So the models and the forecast is much better and they are much agree. But it's still a really tricky situation in the waypoint Charlie because there's a conflict between east wind and west wind. And so I know that it's particularly at this place in the Med, in the south of Port Carroll Island, around Port Carroll Island. It's always a conflict between east and west, and it's a really hard situation to manage. So we'll see. Normally the west will win. I hope we'll not stop a lot because the other will probably coming back. But we are in front and it's good. It's better to be in front.
How was the morning so far? You did one maneuver?
Yeah, a lot. This race is just we are really exhausted because wind is changing a lot. So we did a lot of change of sails, a lot of jibe along Majorque, and yeah, pretty tired, but.
And now the wind is picking up more than this night, or?
Now not, but we expect maybe 25 knots. So it's totally different of what we had. We had maybe more around 5 to 10 knots of wind from the beginning. So, but yes, we don't really know.